we're looking for partnerships, and we know that the customers that we do have and that we're trying to grow with, they're growing with cybersecurity as being a big issue for them. And we want to make sure that we are compliant to them and also being a step of the game so that when they need us, we're there. We're NIST compliant, and we're already working towards our CMMC level 3 once that becomes available. There's 110 controls for NIST that are required to be compliant, with an addition 20 more controls on top of that. So in order to be CMMC level 3, you already have to be NIST compliant.
Our customers are concerned, obviously, if we're doing work for them, and let's say we had a cyber attack or ransomware, and it's going to cripple the company, like any other company. So that's why we've implemented companies like Cisco, and we've used cloud security to help us prevent that. It's beneficial to us, it's beneficial to our customers, and beneficial to our suppliers. So it helps everybody out. So we want to get to the highest level we can, not only for our protection, but to get higher level jobs. We want to be as secure as possible with the best companies as possible, as fast as possible.
The big thing with the CMMC is CUIs, which are basically a way to control documentation so that if someone was able to hack into our system or come on the shop floor and see something, that they can reverse engineer to see what we're doing for our customers and what parts that they're making, whether that's for the government or for their services themselves.
There's always a plan to change and grow. We have to stay fluid. We have to stay diverse. We have to stay ready to meet any challenge or change that comes our way. We have weathered a lot of challenges and changes along the way, and where many shops have sadly failed, we've dug our heels in and stuck it out and weathered the storms.
We're basically going at it full throttle. We're just going to get the best equipment we have and the best software. Like our ERP system we've had for 10 years, and we're constantly upgrading to stay on top. The security software is top notch. I mean, we're using Fortune 10 companies for security. So, your Cisco's and what have you. Again, it's the best or nothing. Is basically how we deal with it.
We work with all Fortune 500, 1,000 companies that absolutely demand that we are up to a level and a standard that is acceptable within the industry. We are working towards those goals, CMMC. We currently are at a level that is approved by security standards within our industry, and we continue to place an emphasis on this part of our company.
We're doing our best to comply to our customers' needs and making sure that we're always growing with them and having a strategic partnership with them.